Hello everyone, it is me Matt here, and today we have this dreamer clock, and it's actually 7:04, so this is wrong because of daylight savings and stuff. So I'm gonna try and figure out how to fix the time. I'll put the camera right here, so hopefully you guys can see. So let's see, mode, and just keep going to mode. I think we go set. Nope, that just changes. Wait, mode, set. Yes. Okay, set. Now I'm gonna go check the time right now. It's 7:03, so we're gonna change the time back to 7:03, but I'm gonna do it to 7:04 because I might be behind. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to set the timer. Oh, no, I don't think you guys can see that. Okay. Let's keep putting the snooze. And is it? Yes, it's 7:04. So let's do mode. Yes! Oh wait, we changed the clock back to 7:04. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but we changed it back to normal. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. So basically, I turn to mode, and it shows your time. Click on set, and then click on snooze to change the time. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, man.